Let me tell you a story about a man who lost his job and accidentally helped define the power of the President of the United States. This is the case of Myers versus United States. Back in the early 1900s, Frank Myers worked as a postmaster in Oregon. That meant he ran the local post office, an important federal job at the time. Postmasters were appointed by the president, but there was a rule passed by Congress. That rule said, if the president wanted to fire certain federal officials, he needed approval from the Senate first. So Congress was basically saying, you can hire them, but you can't fire them alone. President Woodrow Wilson decided he wanted Myers removed from the job. But Wilson didn't ask the Senate. He simply fired him. Myers was out of work, so he sued the government, arguing, the president had no right to fire me without Senate approval. And that brought the issue to the Supreme Court. Welcome to Once Upon a Case, because the law isn't just for lawyers, it's for everyone. The Supreme Court ruled in favor of the president. The court said, the president must be able to control the executive branch. If he can't remove officials, he can't manage the government properly, and if he can't manage it, he can't be responsible for it. So the court struck down the law requiring Senate approval. They held that the president does have the power to remove executive officials. Why does this case matter? This case helped define how strong the presidency really is. It reinforced the idea that the president controls the executive branch, including the power to remove people from it. Thank you for watching. If you learned something new from this story, please follow along for more. See you on the next one.